That black yo magic. That black yo magic.
Hey wonderful people, it's me, Kelster from youtube.com/Kelster Makeup. I am back to do another exciting unboxing with you guys. The first two that I did on my channel did extremely well. I have no idea that you guys love purses just as much as I do. If you haven't seen my last two unboxings, I will link it here or here, wherever those links are. But it also will be linked in the description box as well, so definitely check down below in the description area. It was my birthday weekend this past weekend, and I did make a hair and makeup tutorial. So for those of you who are interested in hair and makeup content, check out the link for that either here or here, and the link for that will be in the description as well. So check that out if you're interested, and let's go on with the unboxing. The reason I really have been obsessed with Rebecca Minkoff purses recently is one, the affordability, and two, the style. I really like the style of her bags. I think they're very high end with the style. They're also very edgy. It's like she kind of takes her own inspiration from some of the more higher end luxury, super pricey, expensive bag brands and kind of puts her own spin on it, as well as using like premium leather, which is nice. I bought two bags from Rebecca Minkoff. They are in the $300 so range, but the great thing about Rebecca Minkoff, if you sign up for her newsletter, she has tons of sales. When I bought them, I did get them on sale for sure, and I will list the sale price in the description bar for you guys. I also will link like the Nordstrom links and some other links from other websites that you guys can check out, that you can probably get it on discount or when they go on sale. All right guys, so I have the first box here. I actually already cut it open a little bit, still a little stuck, and this is the newest purse, so let's open this one first. This is like my birthday bag. Ooh, jeez, this is big. Oh my god, and it's heavy. Okay, hold on. I mean, I know it said large on the website, but it's so big. So let me tell you guys what this is before I unbox it. So the bag I'll be unboxing for you guys is the Love 2 large shoulder bag. And oh my gosh, you guys, this feels huge. So let's open this up without further ado. Get it out. Is it just me, or I love when bags come like still wrapped in their plastic? I prefer my bags to come that way as opposed to like straight off the floor at the department store. I like when my stuff is like straight from the factory, fresh. I'm the first one to touch it type thing. So there's lots of paper. Whoa, this bag is huge. This bag is huge, you guys. I had no idea this bag was gonna be so big. Oh my goodness. Okay, so I'm trying to get this other paper off, so I'm gonna have to open it. Oh my gosh, you guys. So I just finished unboxing this bag, and here we have it, you guys. This is the Love large shoulder bag, and oh my gosh, is it large? Like, it is a big bag, you guys, especially for what I thought it was gonna be like. I thought this bag was gonna be in similar size to like a Coach Cassie, you know, that kind of small petite kind of like, you know, looks small but fits a lot type bag. This looks big, and I'm sure it fits a ton in this bag. So it's definitely a lot bigger than I thought it was gonna be. It is a little bit darker than I thought it was going to be. I thought it was going to be a brighter green, but that is still okay. I did want to have a green bag. I know green is like the new black this year. Like emerald greens are very poppin'. On the website, I will say it looks a lot brighter. So I don't know how it's picking up on the camera, but it's so cute. I love it. So let's talk about what it comes with. So it comes with this super thick leather strap. Okay. You can do it as a crossbody. It looks like there's some adjustability here on the side, so if I wanted to make it shorter side here, I think this is metal. It feels metal. It is in this like muted gold. It's not a shiny gold, but it's definitely gold hardware. It's just more muted in color as opposed to like being super bright or something. So that is nice. I do like the more muted gold as opposed to like something shiny, because I feel like the shiny golds tend to look a little cheap. So I do like that they went with like the more muted gold coloring here. It still has a really nice shine to it. It's just not like really glossy, like super bright yellowy gold or anything. It is more of like a true gold. So I do like that. So it has like a lock, a turn lock, and it doesn't turn both ways. So it just turns one way to lock and one way to unlock. You can't turn it all the way around like some other class. So I do see here, you just unlock it, open it up. There are all these little flaps here, which I saw online and I was like, but I'm assuming it is to obviously add extra protection to your items. So that's pretty cool. So let's take all the stuffing out real quick. Oh, and it comes with this tag on it. So the suggested retail price of this bag is $348. I did not pay that when I bought it. I believe I paid around like $170 for this. And it's a super thick leather too. Like the leather is pretty hefty, which is nice because it lets me know like there's quite a lot of it on this bag. It also has a back pocket here, which is nice. So it's great to put your cell phone in. It also has a really nice lining inside the bag. I believe this is, I don't know if this is real leather in the inside, but it does feel leather-y. It could be faux leather in the inside, but that is really nice, like a nice touch. Let's take a look at the details online. It doesn't say anything about it being faux leather. It does say genuine leather. So this probably is leather in the inside as well, which is cool. Like it's a pretty hefty bag. And as you guys can see, there is so much space in this bag. There's also a zipper compartment in the back here. So there's a nice zipper in there. There's also a front compartment here where you can add more things in it. So it definitely kind of has like a Coach Cassie vibe with the front pocket and the back pocket, and it can hold a ton in this bag. So this is like one of those bags you can literally take everywhere, fit everything in it. So for the Rebecca Minkoff 2 large shoulder bag, let's go over the dimensions of the purse. 5 inches in width, 8 inches in height, and 3 inches in depth. It has a 21-inch adjustable strap, and it is 100% genuine leather. So it says on the website that this is made and crafted from shiny goat leather, which I did not know when I bought it, but that's really cool. So maybe that's why it's so thick. Like it feels like hefty, thick, durable leather. Oh, I did forget to mention, guys, it does come with a dust bag. And I really do like the Rebecca Minkoff dust bags. They're pretty thick and durable. I do like how simplistic it looks, and I do love the color. I'm gonna go ahead and put the stuffing back in because I have noticed without the stuffing it kind of gets a little floppy. So even though it's structured in look and on the bottom it's structured, it's still, without the filling in it, it feels kind of squishes. So yeah, this is the Love 2 large shoulder bag by Rebecca Minkoff in the shade Emerald Green, and with the antique brass hardware. Alrighty guys, so this is the next bag I'll be unboxing from Rebecca Minkoff. This is the Lou shoulder bag, and I'm super excited for this because I saw it online. It's this really bright looking red color, at least that's how it looked online. And if you guys saw my last video, I've been really into like finding different red purses. I just feel like red is such like a sexy color, and if you're wearing lots of black or white or nude or cream or just any neutral color, really adding like a statement red bag is such a like a sexy vibe. So I wanted to get a couple, and I got the Coach one, and now I got this one. So let's unbox it and see what it looks like. So I have the box already open. This is the bag. Wow. Okay, first off, these bags are huge. Like, this is another bag that I thought was going to be smaller. I should have looked at the dimensions first, but I assumed it was going to be smaller, and it looks huge. So let's unbox it. Ooh, that came off easy. Ooh. Oh, nice. Okay, okay. So this is the bag, you guys. This is the Rebecca Minkoff blue shoulder bag in the color Kiss. Oh my gosh, you guys. This bag is so beautiful. I love the look of it. Obviously, it's more rectangular shape. It kind of looks like an oversized camera bag, like a traditional camera crossbody bag. Obviously, this is a shoulder bag, and it has these beautiful chain link straps, which I love chain straps. First of all, you guys should know that I love chain link straps, or maybe you don't, but I have quite a few chain link strap bags. Again, it's in this really beautiful antique brass hardware, which is more like a, I would say, instead of brass, I would say gold hardware, because it is like a light gold, but it's muted, so it's really pretty, and it looks like super expensive without looking like cheap, like some super yellow gold hardwares do. So this is so pretty, and I love how it kind of gives like a edgy feel to it with the, again, the look and shape of the bag. Love the signature Rebecca Minkoff clasp in the front, which is so nice. Obviously, if you guys know Rebecca Minkoff, these are just faux clasp. It's the look, it's kind of her signature style. So this doesn't actually open anything. There is a button here, so that's how you'd open that front pocket. There is no pocket on the back except the Rebecca Minkoff logo. And let's just talk about the bottom. So beautiful. Love these studs on the bottom. Again, it makes it nice and easy when you set your bag down somewhere. So that is a really classy thing they added to this bag that I love. And let's open her up. Okay, the zipper, this oversized zipper, is so cute with this extra long leather tab here. So looking straight in the bag, you just have a nice large open space inside, and there is one zip pocket here, which is nice. So one nice zip pocket for putting away those items that you want to keep super secure. And you can also wear this as a crossbody. The blue shoulder bag features a versatile pull-through strap chain that can be worn as a crossbody or a double strap for a shorter drop, crafted with, again, shiny goat leather. It has a zip top closure to keep your things secure, finished with a signature dog clip front hardware that we talked about. Also 10.25 inches in width. This is 7 inches in height and 2.25 in depth. The chain strap goes between the length of 12 inches when put as a shoulder strap and 21 inches as a crossbody strap. Very nice. Love the straps. Oh, well, let me stand so you guys can see that. Oh, it's so nice, you guys. It looks so good. So cute. So putting the two bags side by side, I'm just going to show you guys what these look like. Oh my gosh, they're so different, yet they're so cute. Like, I love the style of both of these. I love that Rebecca Minkoff has so many different styles in her handbags, and they all have a really nice vibe to them. Like this one is so edgy and elegant. This is so sleek, and it's like everyday. The color is very on trend. Love the thick strap here. I love that this is adjustable with the crossbody and viewing it as a typical shoulder bag. I don't think I showed this what this looked like standing up, so let me show you guys real quick. On me as a shoulder bag, so I would tighten the strap. This is how it hit me as a crossbody. I'm 5'4", so it hits right at my hip. So I am gonna adjust the strap a little bit, but oh my gosh, I love this. This is a great everyday bag, you guys. This is a great everyday bag. It feels so freaking durable. It feels so durable. It is a tad bit heavy with nothing in it. Like I mean, it has stuffing in it, but it is heavy. So I would imagine it would be even heavier when you add more things into it. So it does make sense to have like a thick strap like this. So that's really cool. I just love this. I'm so excited to wear it. Again, I love this. It's so edgy. Love the little details in this bag. Love the chain strap. Oh, that's so cute. I think that is so cute. I love this bag. I've already decided that I'm gonna get the gray one when it goes on sale. So when it goes on sale again, because I think I missed the last sale, I will for sure be buying the gray one, because the gray one has duo gold and silver hardware in the chain strap and also in the details. And I have been looking for like a duo silver and gold purse. I've seen a few, but the one from Minkoff, just like this in the gray, I have to get it now because I love this bag. I know I'm gonna love the gray one even more, especially because it has like the gold and the silver. So Minkoff bags are such good quality, and like I said, they're inexpensive, especially when you get them on sale. So definitely sign up for like the email list for Minkoff. Follow their Instagram page because they also put sales on there, and I'll have the links to both of these bags in the description if you want to purchase them. So check those out, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching, and have an amazing, great, fabulous day. Bye.